All right, so we're looking at our music reading here on the first string, and we're in an open position. And what the open position means is that we're just simply, one of the notes, at least one of the notes, is open, meaning no fingers on it. In this case, it's our open E note, which is the open first string, which is, again, is the thinnest or the string closest to the floor. So you got E, and on the staff, that E is on the fourth space up. Then you have F, which is on the fifth line of the staff, but on the guitar, it's right here on the first fret. I'm using my first finger. And then the G, using my third finger on the third fret, and on the staff, it sits on top of the fifth line. So you got E, F, and G. All right, so this example plays whole notes. So you're going to be playing on beat 1 of each measure and then letting it ring out for 4 beats until you play the next note. All right, let's go ahead and check this out with the backing track. 2, ready, and it's 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. And the last note, and